Neha, welcome to my channel Pooja Loves Drama. It's been a long time I haven't posted any video, but I hope so you guys love to watch my videos. In today's videos, I'm going to talk about two historical Chinese drama that was finished recently, and I also finished these dramas recently. If you are not into these genre like historical Chinese dramas, costume Chinese dramas, then you can skip this video definitely. So the first drama is The Princess Royal that you can watch on Youku app and Viki app. And this drama is adapted from a novel, The Grand Princess. So you are gonna love this drama. So let me tell you the storyline first. Our Zhang Jinmei casting as Princess Li Rong and Zhang Linge casting as Prince Pei Wenquan. So if we talk about Li Rong brother is the crown prince Li Chuan. So she wants to make him crown prince, but her father, who is the king right now, who wants to make someone else the crown prince. Like at first, we are going to see Li Rong and Pei Wenquan got married for the political reason because they both want power. And like there was no love between them and they were living separately. It's like someone turned them against each other and they thought they killed each other, but someone else killed both of them. Now they traveled back in time and they are in their 18 age right now and they are going to marry again. So we are going to see these things will happen, but there is someone else, Su Rochin, who you can say in the past was the closest person to the like Princess Li Rong. Li Rong thought she loves Su Rochin. Su Rochin also traveled back in time. Okay, so we are going to see love triangle also, Su Rochin, Pei Wenquan, Li Rong. But in this time travel, like in this time, Li Rong and Su Rochin are the against side because Li Rong still wants to make him brother the king, but Su Rochin doesn't want him to become the king because the king Li Chuan in that era killed his whole family. But there were some reason behind all of these things. You will get to know step by step, like so many things going to be happen. But in this time, we are going to see the king right now, who is the father of Princess Li Rong, how he will handle things, because there are you can say there are war between the like the royal family and the nobles family. Like there are things, noble family's power is greater than the royal family. So the royal family, the king wants to surpass them and they wants to surpass the royal family. So many things going to be happen, so many plotting, and you are going to see everything. And in between all of these things, we are going to see the love story of Li Rong and Pei Wenquan in this era, because in another time they were not in love, like they didn't confess to each other. But in this time, we are going to see how they will help each other and how they will become real couple, because at first they will be married on some conditions. As for their chemistry, it's amazing. Our Li Rong acting, like her character is super amazing. Like you can watch whole drama for her only because it's really amazing. Her character, her personality, and it's gonna be one of the best drama of 2024. So our next drama is Follow Your Heart. You can watch this drama on iQIYI and you are gonna love this drama as well, because we have Liu Yunqi in this drama and also Songi. So we are going to see the love story of a Prince Zhang Xinbai and a traveling doctor Yan Nanxing. Both have, like they are destined to each other and both have some history from their childhood. So many things going to be happen. There is one thing that is you can say Jornia grass, who is like very poisonous, and evil people use these grass to like as a drug, as a poison. So our Zhang Xinbai, who is the head of inspect office, who wants to reveal all the truth behind this, because his father was framed because of this Jornia grass. So he wants to solve this case. And our Yan Nanxing, who also got poisoned by this Jornia grass, and now she have some problems. She can shape shift, like every night of the full moon she will shape shift. So you are gonna see so many characters about her in this drama, and they will entangle with each other. Then they will solve so many cases, and again they will meet each other in the capital, because our prince is living in the capital and our Yan Nanxing will go to the capital to find the her lost brother, you can say, who saved her in childhood, and that is our Zhang Xinbai. So she will also become a business person. She will open her, you can say, beauty blossom parlor, like one boutique shop, you can say. And they will entangled with each other. They will solve so many cases. They will help each other in everything. So we are going to see. But there will be 3 couples in this drama, and every one is like literally, this drama is amazing because of the characters. The supporting characters are also amazing. Their love story is also good. So you are gonna love this drama definitely. If you love to watch historical Chinese dramas, then you are gonna love this drama as well, because we have Liu Yunqi in this drama, and Yunqi's every drama is super worth it to watch. His acting, his character, like everything is super worth it to watch. So I will suggest you to watch this drama also. Like, you can watch this drama on iQIYI, and it's amazing. And if you guys new to my channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button, because I always talks about Korean, Chinese, Thai dramas. And if you want to talk about any Chinese drama, Korean drama, like if you want to ask me about any drama, you can message me on Instagram, the same username @PoojaLovesDrama. You will get my reply within a day. And also you can ask me anything in the comment section related to dramas. I will reply you definitely. So if you love to watch my videos, don't forget to click on like button and turn on notifications so you can get notification of my videos on that time. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my video till now. Bye bye.